Hello everyone, Professor Piyush here. I welcome you all. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to download QGIS and other freeware softwares like grassgis, sagagis, which can combine with QGIS in different applications in different workspace. So I will show you how can we install all these in one go using one installation or one setup. And for the viewers who are not comfortable in English language, I have created the same video in Hindi as well. You can find the link in the video description for the same. Let's start.
To download QGIS, you have to go to the official QGIS website, which looks something like this, currently in 2023. In the top left corner, you will see the version number written there. The bottom one, 3.22.14 LTR, is the stable version, and the top one is the latest version. Follow the link address visible on your screen to reach your site, or you can go to the Google search and directly ask for a QGIS download. You will get the official website on the top. This link will take you directly to the download page. In our previous tab, if I click the download button, I will reach the same page. Here you will see a download option for various operating systems like Windows, Mac and Linux, and also you will get versions for mobile and tablet. If you will go to the All Releases tab, you will get links to download older versions for QGIS and for older operating systems as well. You can also download free and compatible plugins for QGIS as well from here. It also provides various sources of the content and data used in the tool. You can easily access that. Now, coming back to the download Windows option, you can see it shows the latest version of 2023 in a big green tab. Latest version will have many new features but won't be much stable as some old versions. Below that big green tab, you will see a link given in the form of a question to get the most stable version, which is 3.22 LTR, currently in 2023. When you click that, the download will start. The total size of the setup is 1 GB. I will open the download window and wait for the download to complete. The download is complete. I will go to the download folder and double click on the setup to start. Accept the terms. You can change the file location of the installation if you want. I want desktop shortcuts and start menu shortcuts for all, so I will keep the box checked. Let the installation begin now. Once the installation is done, click Finish. You will see a folder of QGIS is created automatically on the desktop. This folder contains the shortcut to all software installed under the most stable setup of QGIS. Let's open the QGIS desktop version and see. Perfect. Everything is fine with this, no issues. Let's minimize and open other tools which came with this setup by default. Let's open grassgis. The GRASS is an abbreviation of Geographic Resources Analysis Support System. It is also a Geographic Information System software suite used for geospatial data management and analysis and more. GRASS requires a directory where it can store data. Then only it will start. You have to create one for it. Or there will be a GRASS data named folder in your home directory. You can use that as well. After that, the Start Session button will open and you can use grassgis within QGIS. Now, let's close this and go back to see what else we have got in the bundle. We have also got SAGA GIS as a part of QGIS, which is a system for automated geoscientific analysis. It is a geographic information system computer program that is used to edit spatial data. This is the interface for SAGA GIS. To know how to work with QGIS and other GIS tools, follow the playlist link in the video description. See you again. Thanks.